Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Yamaha DT 125, a motorcycle that perfectly combines agility, style, and impressive off-road capabilities. This bike has been a favorite among riders who love both city streets and dirt trails, and Yamaha has once again raised the bar with this model. Design and styling. The design of the 2026 Yamaha DT 125 is a perfect blend of classic dirt bike aesthetics and modern styling updates. Aggressive lines, sharp contours, and sleek bodywork give the bike a bold, sporty appearance that is both visually appealing and functional. The ergonomically designed seat and slim frame make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, while the compact dimensions enhance overall handling. Yamaha has also added contemporary touches like updated LED lighting, a more robust frame, and high-quality materials that ensure the bike not only looks great but also feels durable and solid under any riding conditions. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 DT 125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, two-stroke engine that delivers smooth, responsive acceleration and consistent performance across various terrains. This engine has been tuned to provide the perfect balance between power and control, ensuring that riders experience both excitement and confidence on every ride. Coupled with a precise, multi-gear transmission and a lightweight frame, this bike handles tight corners, sharp turns, and uneven trails effortlessly. Whether you're riding through city traffic or exploring off-road paths, the DT 125 offers the kind of reliable performance that keeps you engaged and in control. Comfort and ergonomics. Rider comfort is a key focus of the 2026 Yamaha DT 125. The seat has been designed to reduce fatigue during long rides, while the upright riding position ensures a natural and comfortable posture. Lightweight, responsive handlebars and precise foot controls make it easy to maneuver in all situations, from slow-speed city rides to fast-paced trail adventures. Even newer riders will find it easy to learn and control, while experienced riders will appreciate the level of control and comfort that enhances every ride. Technology and features. The 2026 model is packed with modern technology designed to improve both performance and rider convenience. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear information about speed, fuel levels, and engine status, while LED headlights and taillights improve visibility and safety during night rides. The fuel injection system enhances efficiency, reduces emissions, and ensures consistent engine performance in different weather and altitude conditions. Suspension improvements and upgraded braking components provide a smoother, safer ride. Price, USA. In the United States, the 2026 Yamaha DT 125 is expected to retail at around $5,000, making it a competitively priced option for riders seeking a stylish, reliable, and highly capable 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle. Considering its combination of modern features, off-road capabilities, and lightweight design, the DT 125 represents excellent value for money. Thank you for joining us in this detailed review of the 2026 Yamaha DT 125. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of the latest bikes and cars, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Motor Insight.